Hello, green thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for everything beautiful outside the home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you've been dreaming of a cozy, romantic, and deeply comforting outdoor space, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into the enchanting world of the cottage courtyard garden. But what exactly does this mean? Traditionally, a cottage courtyard garden blends the informal, abundant, and self-contained charm of an English cottage garden with the intimate, enclosed structure of a classic courtyard. It is a space where nature is allowed to spill over its boundaries in a soft, unstructured way, yet it remains safely cradled by stone walls, fences, or the sides of your home. Instead of rigid, minimalist lines, this design style celebrates abundance, rustic textures, and a harmonious mingling of flowers, herbs, and cozy seating. It is essentially your own secret garden, a private, lush sanctuary hidden away from the rest of the busy world. Beyond their undeniable visual appeal, there are so many wonderful benefits to establishing your own cottage courtyard garden. First and foremost, because courtyards are enclosed, they naturally create a sheltered microclimate. This protective barrier blocks harsh winds and traps warmth, allowing delicate plants to thrive and extending your outdoor enjoyment into the cooler seasons. Additionally, the compact nature of a courtyard means it is highly manageable. You get all the lush, sensory-rich benefits of a massive garden, but without the exhausting, back-breaking maintenance of a giant lawn. These spaces act as a direct extension of your indoor living area, offering a private, peaceful retreat that reduces stress and encourages you to unplug. Whether you are enjoying a quiet morning coffee or hosting an intimate evening gathering, a cottage courtyard provides a soothing, therapeutic environment that enhances your overall well-being. Decorating a cottage courtyard is all about embracing romance, history, and a touch of whimsical imperfection. To make your space look truly beautiful, start by establishing soft, inviting pathways using natural materials like weathered flagstone, gravel, or antique brick. Instead of keeping your plants strictly in the ground, layer your space vertically by introducing weathered terracotta pots, stone planters, and climbing trellises that draw the eye upward and soften bare walls. When choosing furniture, opt for classic rustic elements like wrought iron bistro sets, weathered wooden benches, or vintage-style metal chairs paired with soft, comfortable cushions. To introduce a sense of tranquility, incorporate a vintage stone fountain or a simple bird bath. The gentle sound of trickling water will mask any surrounding neighborhood noise. Finish the look by hanging soft outdoor lanterns or weaving fairy lights through your climbing vines to create a magical, warm glow when the sun goes down. To achieve that signature lush, overflowing look, choosing the right plant palette is essential. The backbone of any cottage garden lies in classic, romantic blooms and textured foliage. Climbing roses, fragrant jasmine, and ivy are absolute must-haves for training up walls and pergolas to soften the structural boundaries of your courtyard. For spectacular color and structure, integrate upright perennials such as delphiniums, foxgloves, and hollyhocks, which add dramatic vertical interest. To fill the mid-level and ground spaces, incorporate soft, fragrant herbs like lavender, rosemary, and catmint, which not only smell incredible when brushed against but also attract beneficial pollinators. Don't forget to add shade-loving favorites like hostas, ferns, and delicate hydrangeas to bring texture and brightness to the cooler, sheltered corners of your courtyard. The key is to plant densely, allowing different species to weave together naturally. To give you some incredible inspiration for your own home, let's explore our hand-picked top 10 best cottage courtyard garden ideas. One, romantic rose and lavender pathway. This breathtaking design features a spacious flagstone courtyard flanked by magnificent climbing white roses that scale the warm plaster walls of the home. Elegant wooden benches sit nestled among dense, fragrant mounds of purple lavender and structured boxwood hedges, creating the ultimate romantic walkway that feels like a scene straight out of a classic English estate. 2. Modern minimalist jungle courtyard. For a modern twist on the classic style, this courtyard uses clean, light-colored stone tiles paired with vibrant, contemporary teal metal chairs and a matching table. The surrounding walls are completely softened by climbing ivy, lush green shrubs, and delicate white woodland flowers, proving that even a small patio can look like a rich, hidden jungle. 3. Sun-drenched gravel dining nook. This design embraces cozy provincial charm with a gravel-floored dining area sheltered by a classic white umbrella. Surrounded by romantic pink roses, tall lavender stalks, and a dark wooden fence, this courtyard is perfect for al fresco dining and features a beautiful vintage metal bucket overflowing with yellow and pink roses as a rustic centerpiece. 4. Classical Italianate courtyard with water features. This elegant, brick-paved courtyard is centered around a gorgeous tiered stone fountain, with a secondary wall-mounted lion's head fountain in the background. Surrounded by neatly trimmed boxwood hedges, tall slender evergreens, and climbing ivy, the comfortable cream-cushioned armchairs offer a luxurious spot to relax to the soothing sound of water. 5. Rustic red brick country courtyard. Set against a stunning historic red brick cottage, this courtyard features a circular stone planter overflowing with vibrant purple tulips and lush green hostas. The gravel floor is dotted with casual wooden dining furniture, while Japanese maples and climbing green vines add organic layers of deep plum and bright green to the rustic backdrop. 6. Secret woodland escape with sculptural accents. This highly structured, shady courtyard is a masterpiece of green textures. With a neat brick path slicing through manicured, cloud-like boxwood mounds, the space features a dark wooden bench nestled against a concrete wall. A stunning armillary sphere sundial serves as a classic focal point, surrounded by climbing ivy and mature shade trees. 7. Cozy brick patio with intimate seating. Perfect for small backyards, this circular patterned brick courtyard features a simple, dark metal dining set accented by striped cushions. Concrete spheres rest casually on the ground, while a lush wall of climbing clematis, blooming daylilies, and dense potted plants create a beautifully enclosed private outdoor room. 8. Grand courtyard with classical pergola. This expansive brick-paved courtyard boasts a magnificent stone-columned pergola covered in climbing greenery, offering a shaded sanctuary at the far end. Neatly trimmed hedges border vibrant blue hydrangeas and deep purple foliage, while a classical lion's head wall fountain pours water into a stone basin, adding a regal, timeless touch. 9. English gravel garden with floating fountain. This beautifully balanced courtyard features a central, circular pond with a bubbling fountain, surrounded by clean gravel pathways. Neatly potted boxwood topiaries and terracotta urns flank the space, while a cozy wooden dining table sits under a rustic timber pergola, framed by tall, lush green reeds and climbing white flowers. 10. Seamless indoor-outdoor tropical oasis. This unique design bridges the gap between indoor luxury and outdoor beauty. Looking out through wide sliding glass doors, a warm wooden chair invites you to step onto a stone patio packed with a rich variety of potted orchids, ferns, and hostas, backed by massive prehistoric-looking tree ferns that create an exotic, lush wall of green. There is truly something so magical about a cottage courtyard garden. It is a design style that doesn't ask for perfection, but rather celebrates the beautiful, chaotic, and lush abundance of nature. Whether you have a tiny concrete patch or a spacious backyard, incorporating stone paths, climbing vines, and comfortable seating can turn any ordinary outdoor area into a breathtaking private sanctuary that you'll never want to leave. If you enjoyed looking at these beautiful gardens and want to bring some of this magic into your own home, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss our daily design inspiration here on Garden Decor Designs. Which of our top 10 ideas was your absolute favorite? Let us know in the comments section below. We love hearing about your garden projects. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.